great thing of Capgemini to work is that you have a lot of different kind of projects and environments. So it is just the technology is always the foundation, but you can always really get new insights, new perspective.
Freedom to make decisions, freedom to operate the way you want, freedom to align with the customer, freedom to go out and deliver the business value.
We have the opportunity to have impact socially as well. That make me feel more empowered and feel very proud of the company I work for. And also opened my eyes as to what I can do myself locally.
I love working in a team. I love feeling part of a team, and I love engaging in challenges with the team as a group. That's really encouraging me to work every day and to be better every day.
At Capgemini, I have the opportunity to really try out something new. And if it works, it's a great thing, and I'm empowered to just thrive with it and go wherever it takes me.
We are given flexibility in the sense that you are open to explore or learn anything that you want to do. And if you approach your peers with the thought that I want to learn something new, you're not turned away, you're encouraged to it and on your own. So that gives me that motivation to do better.
What I like about Capgemini is that this company encourages you to try, to test and learn, to experiment. It's in the DNA of Capgemini to push people to take initiatives, to jump on opportunities or even create them.